Apple's cutting-edge AI is about to change your iPhone experience forever. Get ready, because it's landing soon, and we're here to break down everything you need to know. Imagine an AI that learns your habits, preferences, and even your unique voice. With this new technology, your iPhone will become smarter and more intuitive than ever before. From personalized suggestions to seamless task management, Apple is set to redefine how we interact with our devices. One of the most exciting features is enhanced Siri capabilities. The AI will allow Siri to understand context better, making conversations feel more natural. Need to send a message, set a reminder, or even control your smart home? Just ask and watch Siri respond with incredible accuracy. But that's not all. The AI will also offer advanced photo editing tools, transforming your pictures with just a tap. Imagine having professional quality edits done instantly, tailored to your style. Plus, with improved privacy features, your data will remain secure while enjoying these benefits. So, get ready to elevate your iPhone experience with Apple's new AI. It's not just an upgrade, it's a whole new way of using your device. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech updates and insights.